Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about Gensmo application. I will show you how to download it, how to use it. We will talk about this application. So to download it on your device, on Android or iOS, you need to open up Play Store or App Store. So as you probably know, this is an AI application. Just type in the search box Gensmo, and here it is, Personal AI Stylist. So let's firstly install it. Just click on this button, and now you can see how this application looks like. So there are a lot of cool screenshots from the application. By the way, the application is installed. Now we can open it up. Okay, at the very top we can find the field, describe the style or occasion you want to explore. So here you can type about it and add your image. By the way, it's very cool. So you need to allow your camera on your device and just take a picture. And also you can generate something by clicking on this button. For example, Y2K party outfit inspo or retro arcade night look. It's a really cool feature, by the way. Also here you can find 3 buttons just below this field: for you, popular and recent. So here a lot of cool outfits. I think other people were generated it in this application. Also you can see recent posts and for you. You can just scroll it and find something interesting here. Now I would like to show you how to create account in this application. All you need to do is just click on the 3 lines button at the top right, and here you can find all the necessary information. Settings, history, and of course the login button. So we need to click on login and continue with Google to create our account, and continue with it. Just wait a bit. Now if you click on the 3 lines at the top right again, you'll find your name here and the logout button right here. Okay, for example, let's generate here something, Y2K party outfit inspo. To generate it, just click on this button. The process is started. Let's wait a bit, and here it is. Okay, and for example, I don't like this backpack. You can click on it and see alternatives. For example, this one or this one, and you can replace it just by clicking on this button. So it's a very cool feature. Also you can see other result. There are 3 results. Just swipe it to the left and you'll see it. Of course you can save these results or regenerate it by using filters at the very bottom: trendy, retro, bold, colorful, and so on, and add preferences if you want. There are a lot of settings. Of course at the top right you can find all your generated outfits in the history, and you can generate it again, for example, or delete it. So the app is very interesting, and I really advise you to use it. Just try it, because it's absolutely for free. So hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.